Hello and welcome to Remove Before Launch, and I'm back in the room of doom. Yep, no car driving again here, but that's because I'm going to talk to you about warranties. In fact, BMW warranty again. So if you saw my last post, I was talking about the extended warranty I had on my BMW 135 Coupe and singing the praises of BMW actually. So go and give that a watch and you'll see what I'm talking about. But it led me on to think more on the BMW warranty side of things. Now, if anyone watched my post from about a year ago, again, put a link up, have a quick watch. I had an M2 competition for 24 hours. My plan was I was going to sell the Coupe, my 135, and potentially sell my track car, the M3, sell them both and then run an M2 competition so that I would have that as my daily driver, plus I could do the occasional track car. Fantastic, all sounded good. Sat down with the dealer and they went and I explained my plan and they said, it's not going to be covered under warranty, just to warn you. I'm like, sorry? No track day use. I'm like, it's not competitive, it's just track. No track day use is covered under warranty. I said, well, it's an M car and you've got all of these extras, the big brake kit and the aero and things you can add to it. Nope, still not covered, absolutely not, no chance. I'm like, okay, that was that. But it did have a big impact on my decision-making process. Now COVID came along and everything else, that's also had a bigger impact. But yeah, it did have an impact on my decision-making process. So I started to look at forums and talking to other people, and there's a real mixed bag, there's a real grey area out there of whether your car will or won't be covered. So I've got people throughout the UK, some saying yeah, it's covered, others saying no, it's not. I've got people around the world in different countries like Australia, yep, absolutely fine. Other parts of Europe, yeah, it's fine. Others saying no, it's not. And no one seems to be able to give a straight answer or have a definitive answer. So I decided to put on my my sleuth hat and basically get in touch with BMW customer services and see what they say. So I sent them an email. I said, hey, I'm thinking of buying an M2 competition. I just want to make sure that it's going to be covered under warranty if I do the occasional non-competitive track day. And they came back and went, please speak to our insured warranty service. I was like, okay, well, this is a new car I'm talking about, but all right. So I got in touch with them. They went, absolutely not, it's not covered. I was like, okay, fine. But there was something in the wording that suggests they weren't talking about a new car. So I reiterated, went, I'm talking about a new BMW here. They went, oh, in that case, you need to speak to BMW. I was like, well, I already have. They sent me to you. Turns out either the person was trying to give me the runaround or hadn't read my email properly. So there's one word of warning to you. The insured warranty service, which I think is run by Alliance for extended warranties, is not or will not cover you for track use. So keep that in mind, guys. If you're buying a used BMW with an extended warranty or insured warranty, just a word of warning. So I went back to BMW and said, you seem to have misread my email. I am talking about a new BMW. And they went, in that case, it's down to the dealer. It's like, sorry? Yeah, it's up to the supplying franchise dealer whether it will or won't be covered under warranty. I was like, that can't be right. Surely this is a BMW manufacturer's warranty. Surely this is a factory decision, is it not? No, it's down to the dealer. I'm like, are you absolutely sure? And I went back several times just to be absolutely clear. And every time, no, it's down to the supplying dealer. I went, great, in that case, can you give me a list of dealers who will cover the warranty? No, we can't do that. Why not? Well, it's down to the dealer and we don't have a list like that. So you need to contact the dealer and ask them directly. It's like, well, this is quite a big sort of part of the decision-making process. So the dealer who will supply and cover the warranty is probably going to get the business more than one that won't. Surely you can give me a steer. No, not at all. It's down to you to find out. I was like, well, that's not great either. So I basically went back and said, look, come on, this can't be right. You've got to, you must have a list or you must have a stance and a definitive answer on this. No, you've got to go to the dealer. That's it. They will not give me a list. They will not give me a yes or no. Basically, it seems that the dealer makes the final choice. I find this slightly tricky to believe because I know from the warranty claim for my 135 recently is it had three parties involved. It had the dealer, BMW themselves, and the insured BMW service run by Alliance. And all three of them had to be involved, because the amount involved, it's several £1,000s worth of work, all parties had to be involved on the sign-off. I think on that one, now I don't know if it's the same with the main manufacturer's warranty, but on the insured warranty, anything over £1,500 has to be authorised by all parties. So I'll be honest with you guys, I'm still sceptical. I still don't know how good the warranty is or how good their word is. That's what they've put in writing to me. So my advice is, if you are looking at getting a car from BMW that you're going to take on track, make sure you ask the dealer in advance and get them to put in writing. Then I would send it off to BMW personally and clarify with them. As long as you've got it in writing, as far as I'm concerned, you're covered. So that's it. I suppose it is a definitive answer in one way, that if you can find a supplying dealer that will say yes, then you're covered. If you can get that in writing, great. I'd love your feedback. Anyone who's got experience with this, anyone who's got a BMW, who is tracking it, who's got it covered under warranty, it'd be great to know where you bought it from and your experience. I'd also love to know who's having problems with warranty cover on track day use. Pop a comment below. I think it'd be really useful, not just for me, but for everybody. If you can find supplying dealers that are happy to give you the thumbs up on track days, then great. But yeah, any feedback, this would be really helpful to me, just to clarify exactly what the situation is. Appreciate you watching. Please give us a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, whatever you can. Really appreciate it. This has been Removed Before Launch.